Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to blend these three colors seamlessly with some alcohol markers. Right off the bat, you're going to have a way easier time blending these colors if you already know what they look like, so I recommend putting down some swatches of the colors that you're going to be using. You can see the exact colors that I'm using in the Ohuhu alcohol marker set. So I'm laying down the darkest color right now, and I really want to saturate the page that I'm going to be using. Once I finish up coloring the space I'll use, I'm going to quickly transition over to my middle color. So you can see here, I am going to be taking the two tips of my markers and touching them. The dark ink will transfer over to the middle color, and you'll be able to use that short amount of mixing, I guess, to your advantage when you want to transition the colors. So then I'm going to start laying down my middle color, use small circular motions, and try to catch the ink before it dries. Then I'm going to switch over to using the broad brush for the remainder of the space I'll use, just for ease, so that I can get as much space covered. And then you'll see me again switch over to touch the tips of the lightest colors together. So again, the middle color will be transitioning the ink over to the lightest color, and we'll have that mixture of colors for a short time so that we could use that to our advantage when blending these two colors. So again, you'll see me go in with a brush tip just to sort of blend some of these colors together, and then I will finish up with my broad brush. I have found with blending colors, it is quick. Quickness is the name of the game. So you really want to use speed to your advantage here before any of the ink dries, otherwise you'll end up with a crease. And here is the finished product. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and a like, a comment, whatever you can do. Let me know what other type of videos you'd like to see in the future. My analytics are showing that you guys really like the tutorial videos, so I'm going to be kind of leaning into that going forward. But if you have any other ideas, I'd be happy to try them out. All right, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!